Do you know what audio formats Rekordbox support? It is compatible with MP3, WAV, M4A, AFF, and FLAC format. So today's topic is to download Spotify music in MP3 and import it to Rekordbox. The first step is to visit TunePat embedded Spotify web player. Next, you should sign into your Spotify account as per the on-screen guide. Now, find the song you want to download and import it into Rekordbox. Before starting the conversion, finish setting up the output parameters. Here, you can choose a Rekordbox recognizable and compatible output format according to your actual needs. In addition, you can also customize the sound quality, output file name, path, and so on. Then close the window to apply. The next step is to click on the Add to List button to load all songs in this playlist. Select the Flitter Converted Files option and then tick off your desired titles one by one. Tap on Convert Now button to begin the conversion process. Congratulations! All the Spotify songs you selected have been downloaded. Now is the time to open Rekordbox from your computer. Right-click the Playlist button on the left menu bar and select the Create New Playlist option. When the new playlist is successful, name it according to your preference. Open the folder where the converted Spotify files are located and drag all the songs to the space on the right side of Rekordbox. Just wait for Rekordbox to automatically read the converted Spotify songs. After Rekordbox has loaded all tracks, you can click and drag the target song directly into the virtual deck above. Now start mixing. Make something you love and be proud of. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please follow our channel. See you next video.